Hey everybody, Dashboard here, and it's time for Car Show Cam. This week we went out to the Kingsland Cars and Coffee monthly meetup after we had already been to the Okefenokee Festival in Folkestone. So we were kind of late getting there, but there were still a few cars there to look at and take pictures of and do video. So here's the video. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming your way.
We had the craft show, they didn't have nothing else. There's still a few cars there.
Well, I'll take pictures of what's here. Take video of what's here.
Just gonna drive through?
Oh no. I figured to get out and unload and do all the things.
Well, you do it then. I ain't gonna sit in the truck. The new Mustang there for sale, or just bought it. Not sure which. The train's coming.
Yep.
Mm-hmm. Going on the back side of this one, or what?
Going over there by the tree.
Okay. You want me to help you unload?
Yeah, just wait a minute.
And what is this?
I don't know. I didn't get close to it.
Okay. Physical therapy or something.
I can't even tell what it is from this angle. It's a Ferrari
24.
Lamborghini or something.
Oh, the Mustang was a 24.
But looking at that.
Okay.
You asked me what the white thing was.
What a dick.
Well, otherwise they can't. Hey you. Yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.